Hey, what's going on, yo? This is my channel, Tomorrow's Lit to Travel, where we make every day better than the last. And we travel all for free off miles and points. And if that sounds good to you, then you're gonna love my channel. My name's Maurice, and this is how we get down. But today, I'm gonna show y'all how we gonna get from point A to point B all off miles and points. And if you don't know what miles and points is, today you're about to learn a lesson. So sit down, get your pen out, get your pad, and take some notes because this one's here as a banger. If you want to go to a Caribbean island, then this is one for you to watch. I'm gonna show you how to find the cheapest redemption for going to Aruba. Aruba. This place is known as the Happy Island because when you get there, all you see is nothing but beaches, and you get greeted with just so much hospitality and just so much culture and a vibe. And you know, when you go to the Caribbean, you can always find some good old Caribbean food. And this one is a mixture of, like, they said that people speak English there, they speak Spanish, but they speak predominantly English. So it's a mixture of wherever you come from, as long as you speak English, you're good to go on this island. You can find a lot of pink flamingos around there. So if you've never seen a pink flamingo, you could definitely go down there and see some pink flamingos or some other exotic animals that you probably never seen. That's a little bit different in your regular everyday life. So if you want to get outside, have some fun, I'm gonna show you how to get there for little to none. All right, let's go. Hey, yo. First things first, y'all have to get your flights down packed. And I'm gonna show y'all, I'm gonna give y'all some options though on this one. Usually, I usually go with American Airlines. Sometimes it be the best, sometimes it's not. On this route, it's not the best, but I'm gonna give y'all some options on how to make it a little bit better, on how to get some more bang for your points. With this one, we're gonna fly from United, and United is definitely a good one to get to Aruba. And it shows you we're going to start from Washington, D.C. That is a major hub that's in America. And we're going to go on August 15th, summertime, and we're using miles and points, you see. And right now, the going rate for on that date is 29,000 points. But if you look like 2 days before that, on like a Tuesday, maybe that's an off peak or a peak, and this off peak is going for 9,000. So if your schedule is more flexible and you can move it around, then you get more bang for your points by just coming 2 days in advance, 2 days a little earlier. And 2 days a little earlier, you get it for 9,000 points. That's good. You see how much they serving it for the rest of the days? That day we were just looking at was 29,000 points. So you're about to save 20,000 points off rip. So that's terrific. And you only got to pay $15.60. And if you want to fly business first class, let's see the lowest they got. They got it going for 44,000. So if you got that much points and you want to fly a little bit first class, go right ahead. And it's not long either. It's only 4 hour trip from Washington to Aruba. So it's not even a long here and there and here. You know, it's a short stay. But let's go to the second option. The second option I pulled up already is Alaska Airlines. This is one of my favorites. I love American Airlines and Alaska Airlines. AA, they are one of my favorites, hand down. Currently, right now, they are going for the lowest, and right now, I found the lowest place to go and get the lowest rate. Right now, to find the lowest rate is going from Miami to Aruba, and you only would be spending 7,000 points, point five, from going to Aruba, from Miami to Aruba. And it's only a 3 hour flight, 3.3 and 15 minutes. So if that sounded good to you, then you know what to do. And it only costs you $29 just to go over there. If that don't sound good to you, then I don't know what to tell you. But I'm gonna give you some more sauce for that. If you don't got an Alaska airline card, or you don't got a United airline card, then they have transfer partners, and you can transfer your credit cards points to these airlines. For Alaska Airlines, you could transfer your Bilt points, and Bilt is Wells Fargo. And I have another video you see that's in my Rolodex talking about the Bilt card. Other than that, for United, Chase, and Bilt, so you can maximize with two partners going to the same place. So if that sounds good to you, then you know what to do. Let me go on next and show y'all a place y'all can stay. Here's my favorite. My favorite is Hilton. Hyatt. I love me some Hyatt places. They always got a beautiful, nice place. And then they got a common place. And then they got a all right place. Then they got an okay place. It's all for what you're willing to pay. And sometimes the okay place be fire. So it just depends on how much points you got willing to spend and how much you got. So let me give y'all these two options that's available right now. The two options right now is 12,000 points and 30,000 points. If you want to see, you could go through the 12,000 points. This one comes with free breakfast, ooh, a few amenities. Nice. Place looking beautiful, and it look like it's not too far from the water. And this one is right by the beach, down by Palm Beach in Aruba. You can see just by the first picture, it is beautiful. Right by the water. Scenery is outstanding, stunning. Make sure you tell them put you high up. I always say that. Put me high up. If it's something like this, I want to be high up. I want to see it all. Damn. It feels so good when you so high. But these are some two options that they have available here at Hyatt at Aruba. Now let's go to Airbnb. This is what I use to find out things to do, even though you can also use this as a place to stay, but we're going off of miles and points, and we not paying too much over here. We pay a little to nothing. So let me show you on what some things you can do and have some fun. They got a pool, going to grotto. You can have a picnic with grandma. You could go see some bees, yoga, have bike riding, have snorkeling. They have a bunch of different adventures you could do. It all depends on what you're into and what you like. And you just want to go there and relax, or you just want to go there and stretch out, and you just want to go get a woosah. Then it's all up to you what you want to do. So, so if that sounds good to you, you felt like you learned anything new, then hit that like, bell notification, and subscribe, and drop a comment down below. Let me know how you feel. Let me know if you like this. Let me know what you learned. And remember, use them credit cards to get more miles and points, and transfer those miles and points. Transfer those points to miles with the airlines. And with the miles, now we're going to fly some miles. So it only takes step by step to understand it and step by step to do it. And if you want to learn more, I'll get some better instructions. I got a free VIP group down below, and I'm going to drop the link in my description. And let me know. Whatever y'all want to go, whatever y'all want to know, just let me know down below. Until next time, peace.